Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is the 20th video as part of our series of video on Tally's power of reporting in TallyPrime. We have been seeing the accounts related reports, and starting from this video we will see in couple of videos what are the different type of inventory related report that we can access, view, and apply techniques to have a better idea or better control over the inventory management system in your organization. So let us go to Tally and explore the inventory book feature and apply few techniques to see how we can leverage this reporting feature. In couple of our previous videos, we learned the techniques of accounts related masters such as individual ledger analysis, group summary, and group vouchers. Similarly, in case if you want to analyze in detail a particular stock item transaction history, we do not have to go to stock summary, select that item and drill down. For detailed or focused analysis of any stock item, you can access your required stock item and conduct a deep down analysis of the selected stock item. To view individual stock items report from the gateway of Tally, click on display more report. Now under the inventory section, click on inventory book, and under inventory book we have various reports that we can access. First we will start with stock summary, which is the stock item summary. Click on stock item. We will get the list of stock items. Let us select Bajaj Microwave. Click on Bajaj Microwave. We are now viewing the monthly summary. Let us select the month of July and enter. We will now view the details of the transactions related to the month of July, that is the inward transactions and the outward transactions. First, in case you want to view any other stock item vouchers for the month of July, all you have to do is just go to the right hand side button bar, click on stock item. The keyboard shortcut is F4. Click here. Again we will get the list of stock item. Here you can select your stock item. Let me select LG Microwave. I'm going to select LG Microwave, and now we are viewing the transaction detail for the month of July for stock item LG Microwave. While viewing this report, let us say you want to filter only the inward or the outward transaction. How can we do so? Again, click on basis of value, and under the list of configuration, the type of voucher entries, it is already selected here. Click on this and we will get the report detail whether we want to view only inward entries or outward entries. Let us select inward entries only, and now here you can just press escape or you can press Ctrl A. We are now viewing only the inward transaction. Earlier we saw inward and outward. Now Tally is filtered and it is giving you only the inward transactions. Let us come back to monthly summary. Next, if you want to view the profit that you have made for this item on a monthly average, you can click on show profit. Click here, and now we are viewing the monthly average profit that this product is produced, and we can see the variation of monthly percentage of GP, and we are also viewing the gross profit for each month. If you want to know what is the GP that you have made on each invoice that you have raised for this particular item, we can select any month and drill down. March is already highlighted. Just press enter, and here now we are viewing the GP that this item, which is Bajaj Microwave, is given you for each invoice. Again we will see here that the sale made to Ambika Enterprises, we have sold at 20,000 each. So the GP is 70.44%. Whereas when you come down here to Amar Enterprises, we are sold at a lesser rate and the GP is also reduced to 54.17, and here again the next transaction we have sold further at a lower rate and the GP is also reduced. Let us come back, escape and hide profit. Click here, hide profit. Another very powerful report is stock query, where we can view complete history of a particular stock item. To view stock query, click here on change view. Once you click on change view, we have list of views. Now under the related report, the first report is stock query. Click here and select stock query, and now we will see the history of the item Bajaj microwave in the stock query report. We can observe the top left, it provides the detail of the group, closing balance, cost price, costing method that is applied, standard cost, and here on the right side here you will see if there is any category created for this item. It will also provide the name of the category. We will see the closing value of this item, standard selling price and the market valuation method. Down here we will see the list of last 5 purchases from whom the company is made for this item, the quantity, rate and the amount, and at the same time we will also see last 5 sales that has been made, quantity, rate and amount. It will also say what is the last purchase, date of purchase, from whom it is purchased, the quantity, last sold on 30th of March, to whom it is sold, the quantity and the rate. Down here it will also give you the breakup of the quantity of item lying in each of the respective godowns. We will explore more techniques to stock query in a separate video which I will cover later on. Let us come back, press escape. Let us say in case if you want to compare another stock item along with the selected stock item of Bajaj microwave. So we know, we have learnt in our earlier videos, we have this button called new column. Click on new column and just press enter to from and to date. Now from the name of the item, Tally will give you the list of all the stock items, and here we can select any stock item that you want to compare. So let me select LG microwave, and now we are able to view Bajaj microwave information month on month report and also LG microwave which we have added in the new column. This way you can add any number of columns to do a comparative analysis. Now once you have done the comparative analysis, all you have to do is, if you want to remove this column, all you have to do is put your cursor here and you have this button called delete column. Click on delete column and the new column will get deleted. Deleting the column does not mean that you are deleting the data, you are only removing the information from the column. Another critical information you can view for your stock items are, if you click on F12 configure, enable this option, show average, we set it to yes, enter, show highest balance and lowest balance, we can set it to yes here, and now save this by pressing Ctrl A. Now you will see at the bottom, Tally is going to tell you what is your average inward and what is the value, what is the average outward, what is the value, and what is the average closing stock that you have and what is the value. Next, the highest balance. It says on 1st of December you have 21 numbers, the value is 1,36,500. Similarly, the outward quantity and value on 1st of December, and on 5th of September you have highest closing balance of 112 numbers valued 6,69,557.99. The next is the lowest balance. Again it says on 2nd November you have 2 numbers as the lowest balance, on 5th December 2 number as the lowest outward balance, and the closing balance on 1st March is 53 numbers, the value is 296,770.63. Now instead of drilling down to each month to view the transactions of the item that you have selected, there is an option where you can view the transactions related to the entire year. How can we do that? All you have to do is click on go to, you can type inventory, you can select inventory vouchers, either you can select voucher report or stock item report. Just click on inventory vouchers and select the item for which you want to see the transactions for the entire year. So we already selected Bajaj Microwave. So let us select Bajaj Microwave and enter. Now we are viewing the transaction of Bajaj Microwave for the entire year. All the inward transaction and the outward transaction. Now if you want to change the period and do a month on month or any specified month, like for quarter on quarter, if you want to see, you can do so by simply changing the period. You click on the period here, you can say April to, let us say you want to see 3 months, so just type JUN, enter, and now we have filtered from April to June. You want to come back to monthly, all you have to do is just click on F6 and we are going to get monthly report for the selected period. This way, analyzing your stock item using your right hand side button bar and your F12 configuration will give you lot of insights into the movement of your stock item, handling of your stock item, and managing your stock item better. I hope this video would have given you an idea of how you can make use of the right side button bar and F12 configuration to have a 360-degree of your analysis of your stock item. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.